So it's Thursday the 4th of July, it's Community Action Day.
We send our students out across the local community to serve and to gain some really important skills that you can't necessarily gain in the classroom. So independence, teamwork, overcoming problems. It's quite an important day for them to develop those soft skills.
In Seaford, it's almost there's a little community, and it's really good for them to come to the exterior community and interact with other people that are a little less fortunate and can't afford to maintain things like this graveyard, and they're giving back, and it's a day out for them, and they really enjoy it. They get out of the classroom and they're almost at summer holiday, so yeah, it's really good, especially if the sun's out.
To give back to the community in your area, it feels great. I mean, the weather's amazing, you're with your mates, you're having so much fun, and it's just a good day. It's a good feeling as well.
We're looking after the cat today, cleaning windows and stroking cats most of the time, to be honest. Looking to go into veterinary medicine, hopefully. I'm looking at Edinburgh, Liverpool, Nottingham, those. I'd love to do some more animals, as you can see.
It's always good to have the community out, and especially once a year, it's really nice to just get out, do something for other people. Since as obviously we go to private school, really nice, and we're always getting stuff, it's nice to give back.
I've never seen an English hospital, so I've never imagined how it really works here. I know how it works at my country, but it's so much different.
It's been a really rewarding experience coming out here, enjoying the sun, but getting all this work done, seeing the difference that we're making. It's been good fun, yeah.
It's been really lovely having the students here today. They've been really interested in what's been going on. They've been really involved, talking to a range of different staff, different groups of patients.
I find this experience really helpful, to be honest. It's just really nice to see how nurses and how hospitals run to help us.
It's really opened my eyes to what I can see myself being. I can see people in their scrubs and in their uniforms, and I want to be part of it.
It's been really wonderful with feedback from the students I've had. They said they feel that it's strengthened the community they already have at the school, going out together, working together. They've made friends with other people they've not normally been in contact with. So everyone's come back really positive, and it's just that word community is, I think, is the link word for this event.